In this video, we walk through how to associate your company to a homeowner's Resideo connected device. We also set up the homeowner's Resideo app with the thermostat you are installing, so that your logo and contact information display there. This capability is supported on Resideo's T-Series Wi-Fi connected thermostats. Let's start by looking at how you would associate a T10 Plus or a T10 thermostat. We'll start this process assuming you have already completed mounting and wiring. Complete the installer setup. In the Resideo Pro app, select Setup Product. Select T9, T10, or T10 Plus. Scan the QR code to capture the thermostat's device ID from the thermostat information menu. If the QR code isn't present, you can also manually enter the MAC ID. Use the Resideo Pro app to invite the homeowner. If your company's Pro admin has already created the customer's account, select it here. Otherwise, invite them with their preferred email for the new account. The homeowner receives an email notification with instructions on how to finish creating a Resideo account. The homeowner creates their account by downloading the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Using the app, they create their account. They enter a verification code they get from their email. Upon logging in, they receive an invitation to connect the device. They complete device registration via Wi-Fi. They get notification that your logo and contact information will appear in certain areas of the app. The homeowner can now connect to the Pro through email, website, or phone. We just finished doing this on a T10 Plus. The T6 Pro Smart has a few small differences. After mounting and wiring the thermostat, open the Resideo Pro app. Set up the product and choose T5, T6. Connect to Bluetooth. On a T6, the device ID is captured over BLE and you enter a security code. Next, configure installer setup. Then invite the homeowner on the Resideo Pro app just as you would on the T10 Plus.